The famed Prevost H3-45 chassis serves as the foundation for the 2025 Prevost Liberty Coach. This chassis is highly known for its durability, smooth handling, and superiority on the highway. Under the hood is a Volvo D13 turbo diesel engine that produces roughly 500 horsepower and 1,850 pound-feet of torque. This engine is mated to an Allison automatic transmission. Its strong technology ensures smooth cruising even when the car is fully loaded. The coach appears sturdy when traveling uphill, and it consumes a reasonable amount of fuel considering its size. It also confidently passes other vehicles. Modern suspension makes it a smooth, comfortable ride that seems like it's gliding, and an integrated brake system makes long descents safer. Design of a living room. As soon as you walk in, you are greeted by an open-concept, luxurious living area. Specifically intended for the restaurant, the L-shaped booth dinette features an electric slide and a swivel table. You can reconfigure this table to create space for eating, working, or unwinding. The ambient lighting is improved with backlit ceilings and LED mood accents, resulting in a contemporary yet cozy ambiance. This area features surround sound audio, a hidden 4K flat-screen TV, and luxurious leather chairs, making it ideal for entertaining guests and getting some much-needed rest. Every component of the cabinets, from the polished stainless steel floating stair entrance to the flush-mounted cabinetry, exhibits the exceptional craftsmanship that was employed. Design of bedrooms. The master bedroom in the back of the house has the feel of a five-star hotel suite. A king-size bed with a Prana Sleep mattress, renowned for its opulent comfort and spinal support, is situated in the middle of the room. The convenience and usability are increased with integrated touch panel lighting settings, readability lights, and a built-in digital safe. The entertainment system consists of a 50-inch 4K LED smart TV and a subtly installed surround sound system. A wardrobe with smooth closing drawers, a well-finished finish, and ample storage space makes packing and organizing simple. Every detail, from the leather headboard to the specially made flooring materials, oozes luxury. The final option. This 2025 Prevost Liberty Motorhome is a great example of how engineering excellence and residential luxury can coexist. When it comes to motor coaches, it provides one of the most luxurious experiences possible, whether you're driving or just lounging inside. The living area is large, technologically sophisticated, and luxurious. The bedroom is a luxuriously comfortable space with a clever design that prioritizes privacy. The engine is a 500 horsepower Volvo D13, which is smooth, powerful, and dependable. And the ride quality is exceptionally quiet and steady at highway speeds. An overall rating of 9.7 out of 10, ideal for tourists looking for a portable, real luxury home.